Okay, we're going to do 14-1 together. We're going to do this side together, okay? So we've done this before. Everyone look at the word, and then you have a suffix. You have a word, and then you have a suffix. Does this look familiar? Yes, it should. Okay, so look at what the directions say. It says use the check system to decide if you need to just add, drop, or double when adding the suffix. Okay, so just add would be just add it. Drop something like an E, or double. What do I mean double there? Double what? Double helpings, like I want 2 pieces of pizza? No, double what? Emma, do you know? Double the consonant is what they're talking about. So I'm just going to write that up there so you remember. Double what? The consonant. Okay? When adding the suffix, that's the ending. Then write the whole word on the line. Okay, so the check system is when we have a vowel and then a consonant. You would check it. Does it have a vowel and a consonant? No, it has consonant, so no check. Do we have a suffix that starts with a vowel?
Yes.
Yes. So if you have one check, you don't really do anything. You just add. So jump plus ing is just jumping. Oops, I said ed. Sorry. Sorry. Jump plus ing is jumping. Sorry, jumping. Okay, number 2 says look plus ed. Okay, now this one, does it have a vowel consonant?
Yeah.
This one is a little tricky. Okay, we're not going to put a check there because it's got these 2 vowels. Okay, now does this one start with a vowel? Yes, so for this one, all we do is just write it. Look plus id, looked. Okay, does that ed sound like the d sound or the t sound? Okay, so just because it sounds like t doesn't mean you write that, right? You don't write t, you write ed. All right, number 3 says rock and then s, so rocks. Okay, does this end with a vowel consonant? No. Does that end with does it start with a vowel there?
No.
Nope, so no check, so just add rock and then s, so rocks. If they're both checked, and then we'll get to one. All right, careful. Does it end with a vowel consonant? No. Does it start with a vowel? No, so no check. So you just write care and then full. Careful. Okay. Number 5. Does it have a vowel consonant?
Yeah.
Check. Yes. Does the suffix start with a vowel?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now this one's a little tricky again. So do you just add? No. Do you drop something? Do you drop the P there? Okay. Or do you double? You double this one. So drop. D-R-O-P. You have that P. You're gonna do it again. And then the I-N-G. Right? Okay. This one, does it end with a vowel consonant?
No.
Again, this is kind of tricky. No. It ends with a vowel consonant. Does this one start with a vowel?
Yes.
It does because it sounds like E. So I'm going to check that. But I only have one check, so I literally just write grass, E. Grass, E. Grassy. Okay? Question. 3 S's. That makes no sense. You don't ever have 3 letters right next to each other in English. 2, yes. All right, number 7 says run, Does this first one start with or end with a vowel consonant?
Yes.
Check. Does the suffix start with a vowel?
Yes.
Check. So what do I do? Do I add it, drop something, or double?
Double.
Yes, right, run. And then I double that consonant. And again. Run, Number 8 says big S. Does it end with a vowel consonant?
Yes.
Check. Does it start with a vowel?
Yes.
Check. So what do I do for this one again?
Double.
Double B-I-G. G again. E-S-T. Okay. Does this one start with or end with a vowel consonant?
Yes.
Check. Does the suffix start with a vowel?
Yes.
Check. So what do I do?
You double it.
Amen. Get, G-E-T, T again, I-N-G. Don't forget, if you ever have a T-T, you can always just go like this and cross it. Mm-hmm. It does kind of look like an H. I know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just one more line. All right, number 10 says make ing. Does it end with a vowel consonant?
No.
It doesn't. It's close. And does this one start with a vowel?
Yes.
Okay, this one's a little tricky. The dropping one is, in my opinion, is fairly easy because if it ends with E, what do? You drop it. So I'm going to get rid of it. So make, M-A-K. Do I write the E? No, I get rid of it. Drop the E and add I-N-G. Okay, I see that type of thing wrong a lot. Yes, Millie? When what? Oh, so let's go back to careful. Let's code it right there. Since that is not long, I keep the E. And look at this. That one starts with the F, right? Vowel, consonant. You don't want to have an E there because you're going to have vowel, vowel. That's not really how we have that. So that's a good note there, Millie. Since this one starts with vowel, you drop that vowel. It is confusing. Number 11 says harmful. Does it end with a vowel consonant?
No.
No. Does it start with a vowel?
No.
Nope. So just add harm plus full. Harm. Full. Okay, number 12, ruler. Okay, rule. Does it end with a vowel consonant? It does not. Does it start with a vowel?
Yes.
Okay, is that a long vowel? Ooh. Ooh is long. Remember, that's a weird one. Ooh is long. So are we going to have E-E? Or are we going to drop an E? Yeah. So this one's kind of funny. R-U-L. You technically drop which E? That one. And then you add the E-R. E-R. It doesn't look like that. But that's technically which E are you getting rid of? That one. Okay? All right, let's look at the bottom one. So decide whether the root word ends with Y after a consonant. If it does, change Y to I, unless the suffix begins with I. Okay? So if the suffix begins with I, you change it to I. No. Okay, so look at this one. Messy and then est. Does that start with an I? No. So I do change that to what? I do change that to an I. So it's messy, but now with an Y. It does change to an I, and then I do add my EST. Okay, flyer. Okay, does this one, let's see this one, change to Y? Does that one start with an I? So that one, does it change to I? Yes. I know. I know. This one over here, crying. Does this start with an I?
Yes.
So this is the funny one. Since it starts with an I, am I going to go cry with two I's?
No.
So I'm not going to do that. So that's why it kind of looks funny that way. So cry, you keep that Y because the next one is an I. Okay? Stayed. Does that start with an I? Nope. So just stay and then ED. Okay. Fried. Okay. Does that start with an I? No. So you're sorry. You're going to keep that. That's an I. Sorry. Why? And then playing. Does that start with an I? Yes. So am I going to go? Am I going to change that Y to an I?
No.
No. So it does stay. Play. Ing. Right? Yes, Layla. We're about to go in about a minute. Okay. Can you wait a minute? All right, go ahead. All right. This is just something I want you guys to know.